Yes, it is a boy of a 7-year-old boy who went missing from Lumorbo, Nongra, and all teams are here. CSU, FSL from Longmutsong, Maudian Liang, SP's office, special cell, all here in the PO. It is a confirmed case of homicide. We will be registering a case and investigate allegations of it being a homicide. Postmortem will give a clearer picture of the kind of injury. From then on, we will be able to proceed with that. Right now, I cannot see a connection. It could be an isolated case because the accused of the first case has already been ascertained and identified. But nonetheless, we will actually investigate and find out everything into the matter. We will sit down, and this also will warrant the requirement of an SIT because it is a child who has been murdered, and an SIT where many expertise are there, many officers are involved, has always borne fruit. So there's all likelihood of an SIT being formed. See, it is a matter of concern. It pains all of us, and from such incidents we should draw lessons that we should number one, children have to be looked after upon, monitored. Number two is that we should take precautionary measures of having CCTVs, lighting in the area, children loitering around. Somebody should, be it from local stakeholders or anybody, should actually see that a child actually is moving around, inform 112, which is our emergency number, so that we can take necessary action, take them to Childline and all that, identify the parents or guardians.